Hey y'all, this is Tasha. Thank you so much for stopping into my channel. I would love it so much if you hit the subscribe button below before you got out of here today. As you can see from the title of this video, today's video is a DIY on learning how to create these forever flowers. They are so beautiful, so pretty. I would absolutely love them. But when I checked the website and looked at the price tag, yeah, they can range from $49 to over $1,000. What?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So, of course, being the DIY person that I am, here's what you need to make your own for very cheaply. You'll need some sort of box, so I purchased a square box with a lid and then also a round box with a lid from Michaels with a coupon. They were $2 each. Some spray paint. You need foam. I got that from the Dollar Tree for $1. You'll need some flowers. I got these from AliExpress. They were very, very cheap. And then this is optional. You can print off the logo if you would like. So first thing I did was paint the box. I actually showed spray paint, but I ended up using this acrylic paint. It came out much better on this paper mache box, this very matte color, since my spray paint was glossy. So I just used some glue to glue the lid onto the box so that I did not have to worry about it coming off when I was transporting the box from place to place. And after that, I started just placing the foam inside of the box. I found circular foam at the Dollar Tree, but it was a little bit thinner, so I just decided to go with the square, and I knew that I could just cut it to whatever size I needed. Nobody's going to see the bottom, so it doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to serve the purpose of holding the flowers in place. So you can literally take a knife and just cut this foam to size of whatever you need. So even if you use the square box, you just cut it to size. Again, just stuff it in there. Doesn't have to be pretty. Then I took the flowers, I trimmed the stem a little bit and literally just tuck them in the box. You don't want them to go all the way down because you want the rosebud to be above the lid of the box. And then I added the logo so that it could be, you know, a little more legit. And that is what it looks like on my bookshelf. I'm probably going to make another one for my bedroom, and I'll use the square box maybe for that one with maybe different color flowers. I don't know. But I really loved how this turns out. I mean, it's legit forever because they're fake flowers, so they'll be there as long as I would like them to be. And from AliExpress, yes, they took a little bit longer to get here, but they really do feel and look like real flowers. I'm sure you can find a duplicate on Amazon if you do not want to wait for them to come from AliExpress, but they were really, really cheap, and I'll leave everything in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.